In this video, I'm going to show you how to register a trucking company in Canada. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, the first thing what we need to do is create a business plan. So outline your company's goals, services, target customers, and financial forecast. This helps clarify your business direction and attract funding if needed. Then we need to choose a legal business structure. So you decide whether to operate as a sole proprietorship or a partnership corporation. Register your business name with the appropriate provincial or federal authority based on your chosen structure. Then we need to register for a business number. So apply for a business number with the Canada Revenue Agency. This is required for tax purposes and government dealings. Get operating authority. So depending on where and how your trucks operate, you may need a provincial or federal motor carrier license, operating authority if transporting goods across provincial or international borders. Then we need to register for IRP or IFTA. So if your trucks operate across provincial or US borders, the IRP for vehicle registration or IFTA for fuel tax reporting. Then we need to obtain a national safety code, NSC number. So apply for an NSC carrier profile for your provincial transport authority. This number is used to track your company's safety records. Then we need to purchase commercial insurance. So you must have proper insurance before operating, which include liability, cargo, physical damage, and workers' compo if you hire additional drivers. Then we need to buy or lease equipment. So acquire trucks and trailers suited for your services. Ensure all vehicles meet Canadian safety and emission standards. Hire qualified drivers. So ensure drivers have a valid commercial driver's license, class 1 in most provinces, clean driving records, proper training for the types of load carried. Then from here, we need to comply with safety requirements. So you'll need regular vehicle inspections, logbook, electronic logging devices, LEDs, maintenance records, driver safety training, and drug testing policies. Set up bookkeeping and record keeping. So establish systems for payroll, tax filing, expense tracking, and safety audits and compliance. Then start marketing your services. So build your brand with a logo, website, business cards, and networking. So consider freight, load boards, brokers, or direct clients for your first contracts.